So let's find out how we can move, copy, and rotate our 3D elements. To move something, select the element you want to move. There's a dedicated tool here in the toolbar. Has 4 red arrows, 1 in each direction. Or you can use the letter M as a shortcut, move, click on it. And as in every other design software, we need to select 2 points, the origin and the destination. So select anywhere, and with your mouse you can move the object anywhere else you want. Moving horizontal to the red X axis, you see it snaps on the red axis, or again, like before, you can lock your movement on this axis by pressing the right arrow key, and now it only moves on the X axis. Similarly, with the left arrow key, lock your movement on the Y axis, or with the up arrow key on your lock the movement on the Z axis, up or down. So we need to select the destination point either with the mouse or by just entering an exact distance. Just enter 1000 millimeters, 1 meter, and there it is. Our object has been moved. Again, we're still in the move function. My item is selected. Move it anywhere I want. Let's move it closer to our models here, to our other items here. Now, our next command is the copy command. In a similar, same way, select your object you want to copy. Again, click on the move tool. Don't worry, we're using the same tool. Sketchup doesn't have a dedicated copy command. It uses the move tool for both moving and copying. So click on the move or type M on your keyboard. I've selected the first point. Moving it to another point, it just moves the certain object. If I want to make an exact copy of it, just press 1 on the Ctrl key on the keyboard. Ctrl, and now it keeps the original object in its place and creates a second copy at the point where we will set here. So let's select our object again, move, select my first point, and click Ctrl to make an exact copy of it. For the rotate function, let me take this out of the way. Select our object we want to rotate, and there's a rotate tool here again in the toolbar. There's 2 rotate arrows in the red color, or use the letter Q on the keyboard. So rotate, our cursor will change into an angle measurement tool, the protractor, and it's shown with the color blue. That means we are rotating along the blue Z axis. Click anywhere. Let's select on top of the surface here or at the bottom. So click anywhere. This is my rotation origin. And now we need to select 2 lines, the starting line and the angle we want to rotate it by. So I'm selecting here on the horizontal axis, click once, and then turn your mouse to the desired angle, or just type the angle on the keyboard, 90 degrees. You see that it rotates the object based on our rotation origin. I can also select, try to pick up the midpoint from this side. So that's our midpoint. Click on it, and now it will be rotated along the origin, the midpoint of that surface. Now you see on the top it will be rotated around the blue axis. if I bring my mouse on this surface, it will be rotated around the green Y axis. Let me demonstrate. And the same if my protractor moves to this surface. So Sketchup automatically selects the surface that the rotation will happen. For instance, in this case, it picks up this surface here. The protractor changes to a red color, meaning that it will be rotated with reference to the red X axis. So that's all there is to it. Move, click origin and destination point. If you want to copy, hit the Ctrl key while moving and it will create an exact copy. Place it at the new position and rotate. Use the rotate tool with the protractor selecting your origin, rotation point and the axis of rotation.